Alright, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, today our group 3 will present to you about accounting for WAQF. Okay, first of all we will discuss about history and objective of WAQF, and next is about accounting for WAQF. Alright, for history of WAQF, there are 3 points that we will discuss. First is the definition of WAQF, next is objective of WAQF, and lastly is about 4 pillar of WAQF. Okay, for the definition of wakaf, okay, wakaf is from an Arabic word which mean endowment of the land and give it to the needy. Okay, literally, wakaf mean to stop, to contain or to preserve. Technically, wakaf is a voluntary, permanent and irreversible of portion of one wealth in cash of kind to Allah Subhanahu wa Taala. Okay, for objective, wakaf is to religious foundation or educational, fulfilling basic needs, achieving socio-economic development, and reduce unemployment. Alright, for the 4 pillars of WAQF, okay, WAQF divide to 4 components, which is first is the founder that we call WAQF, next is the WAQF asset that we call mawquf, third is the beneficiaries that we call mawquf alaihi, and lastly is the pronouncement that we call as sirah. Alright, for the accounting for WAQF, okay, there are 3 main themes and major concern WAQF accounting. Okay, which is first is accounting for WAQF is essential as a tool, a better practice corporate governance of WAQF institution. Okay, second is accounting practice vary among WAQF institution. Okay, lastly is the due to WAQF accounting standard has not been established, it is necessary to learn the existing similar standard.
Assalamualaikum and hi, I am Aina binti Muhammad Shukri and I would like to present about accounting concept, practice and reporting of wakaf property in Malaysia. First, in terms of accounting, reporting and recording, Islamic accounting prioritizes accurate basis as it will provide true and fair reporting of wakaf affairs. Financial management practice and endowment reporting in Malaysia state that most state Islamic religious council take more than 3 years to complete the annual report without being fined. This shows that most SRI has a low level of exposures in their annual report. Meanwhile, some of SRI report higher level of exposures due to having qualified accounting staff. Hence, the latest annual report is reported. Recording and reporting of wakaf in Malaysia is inconsistent because there is no guide in preparing and maintenance a wakaf report. So, it is important to have a specific guide in front of manual as a source of reference. All wakaf money is consolidated in a fund called wakaf amanah or trust fund. The financial statement of wakaf should be audited accordingly and based on Sharia and conventional audit. Creating a code of ethics and professional code of ethics is important. Did you guys know what is AIOIFI? Accounting and Auditing Organization for Islamic Financial Institution. This is to develop the accounting framework and standard for wakaf institution. The main objective of the accounting system is to assist accountability. Accountability is essential as a basis for performance measures, evaluations, and reporting. Well, we need to follow the Sharia guideline. Sharia Advisory Board and Sharia Audit should be implemented so that the use and the source of the wakaf assets are not contrary of the Islamic law. Department of Wakaf, Zakat and Hajj or known as Jauhar, the objective of improving the wealth management of Muslims in the form of endowments known as Wakaf, as Zakat, Treasury, which is Mar Bikrim that known as Hajj. For Wakaf land development model, it consists of planning, implementations, managing complete projects, and project evaluation. It is recommended that Jauhar use reporting as a tool to measure the performance of Wakaf institutions and to increase the transparency and accountability. It should be based on the statements of recommended practice or SORP 2005 to improve the wakaf accountability and reporting. Meanwhile, in terms of accounting practice, they have some improvement in WAQF accounting, such as bookkeeping.
Alright, next we go through to the accounting for wakaf. Okay, in this topic, we will discuss about accounting practice and reporting of wakaf property in other Islamic countries. Okay, for the accounting practice and reporting of wakaf property in other Islamic countries, okay, our group choose two countries, which is Kuwait and Egypt, that have wakaf in the countries. Okay, for the accounting practice in Kuwait, alright, in Kuwait, they call Kuwait WAQF Public Foundation or KAFP that play an essential role in the consolidating value and purpose of wakaf in Kuwait. Okay, in this section, we will discuss about 2 points, that's which is a financial of source of wakaf and distribution of wakaf revenues. For financial source of wakaf in Kuwait, first is a allocation of a portion of wakaf revenues to be added to the wakaf asset. Okay, next is the revenues generated from the investment activities to provide service by the fund. Okay, third is KAFP Planning Committee approval for all gift and donations to comply with the principle and policies of the wakaf. And lastly, KAFP Project Committee's assignment of the general charitable income for investment. Next, we go forward to the distribution of wakaf revenue in Kuwait. Okay, there are 3 points, which is first is a wakaf project for health development, second is for student sponsorship projects, and lastly is the social development and scientific development. Okay, we go forward to the next country that have accounting practice and reporting for wakaf property, which is the country is Egypt. Okay, for Egypt, we will discuss about 3 main points, which is the wakaf practice in Egypt. Second is the problem arise from Egyptian model, and lastly about recommended course action. Okay, for wakaf practice in Egypt, we have 3 main points that we can discuss, which is first is a wakaf revenue distribution, second is a wakaf investment areas, and lastly is a wakaf fund sources. For wakaf revenue distribution, you can see the table how many percent wakaf revenue distribution in the Egypt. Okay, for the wakaf investment areas, there are 3 main point, which is first is the investment in industries, second is agriculture investment, and third is a financial investment. For the wakaf fund sources, there are 4 types of fund sources, which is agriculture lands, real estate, return of investment, and dividend of investment in the shares. Okay, for the problem arise from Egyptian model OMA 2014, there are 3 main point, which is first is the enactment of law followed by executive regulation hydraulic implementation of legal provisions. Okay, second is the administration had been unstable for age. Lastly, this model passed critical errors. For recommended course action in Egypt, there are 3 points, which is first is the segregation of duties between wakaf and government. Second is the establishment of wakaf agency with qualified fund management skill. And lastly is the expanding areas of wakaf activities for wider community service. Okay, lastly is the conclusion. For the conclusion, accounting could improve the best practice in wakaf institution. If it an ideal mean to discharge the accountability of trustee, however, the absence of accounting standard for wakaf is the main reason for wakaf accounting practice. And Islamic dual accountability is the most suitable element to elaborate the concept of Islamic accountability in wakaf institution. That's all from us. Thank you.